100 common phrasal verbs, meaning in English plus. Simple example. 1. Wake up, meaning to stop sleeping. Example, I wake up at 6. 2. Get up, meaning to leave your bed. Example, she gets up early. 3. Sit down, meaning to take a seat. Example, please sit down. 4. Stand up, meaning to rise to your feet. Example, stand up please. 5. Turn on, meaning to start a machine or device. Example, turn on the light. 6. Turn off, meaning to stop a machine or device. Example, turn off the TV. 7. Put on, meaning to wear clothes. Example, put on your coat. 8. Take off, meaning to remove clothes. Example, take off your shoes. 9. Go out, meaning to leave home for social activity. Example, we go out on weekends. Comment below, which phrasal verb is new for you? 10. Come back, meaning to return. Example, she came back home. 11. Talk about, meaning to discuss something. Example, let's talk about English. 12. Ask for, meaning to request. Example, he asked for help. 13. Speak up, meaning to speak louder. Example, please speak up. 14. Calm down, meaning to become relaxed. Example, calm down. 15. Hang out, meaning to spend time for fun. Example, I hang out with friends. 16. Get along with, meaning to have a good relationship. Example, I get along with her. 17. Fall out, meaning to argue and stop being friendly. Example, they fell out. 18. Break up, meaning to end a relationship. Example, they broke up. 19. Call back, meaning to return a phone call. Example, I'll call you back. Follow this channel for clear English explanations and real example. 20. Look after, meaning to take care of. Example, she looks after the child. 21. Find out, meaning to discover information. Example, I found out the truth. 22. Figure out, meaning to understand or solve. Example, I can't figure it out. 23. Write down, meaning to record in writing. Example, write down the words. 24. Read over, meaning to review. Example, read over your notes. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other English learners. 25. Hand in, meaning to give work to a teacher. Example, hand in your homework. 26. Give up, meaning to stop trying. Example, don't give up. 27. Carry on, meaning to continue. Example, carry on speaking. 28. Catch up, meaning to reach the same level. Example, I need to catch up. 29. Set up, meaning to arrange or start. Example, they set up a business. 30. Work out, meaning to succeed or be solved. Example, everything worked out. If you understand this phrasal verb, give this video a like. 31. Feel like, meaning to want or desire. Example, I feel like resting. 32. Cheer up, meaning to become happier. Example, cheer up. 33. Break down, meaning to lose emotional control. Example, she broke down crying. 34. blow up, meaning to become very angry. Example, he blew up. 35. Get over, meaning to recover from. Example, she got over her fear. 36. Look forward to, meaning to feel excited about the future. Example, I look forward to meeting you. 37. End up, meaning to finally become. Example, he ended up a teacher. 38. Turn into, meaning to change into something else. Example, water turns into ice. 39. Run out of, meaning to have no more. Example, we ran out of milk. Keep watching. The next phrasal verbs are even more useful. 40. Pick up, meaning to collect someone. Example, I'll pick you up. 41. Drop off, meaning to leave someone somewhere. Example, she dropped me off. 42. Get in, meaning to enter a car. Example, get in the car. 43. Get out, meaning to leave a vehicle. Example, get out here. 44. Check in, meaning to register at a hotel, airport. Example, we checked in early. 45. Check out, meaning to leave a hotel. Example, we checked out. 46. Move on, meaning to continue to something new. Example, let's move on. 47. Turn back, meaning to return the way you came. Example, we turned back. 48. Slow down, meaning to reduce speed. Example, slow down. 49. Think about, meaning to consider. Example, think about it. This is Learning English through Science Channel. Learn English simply, clearly, and confidently. 50. Decide on, meaning to choose. Example, she decided on this plan. 51. Make up, meaning to decide or invent. Example, make up your mind. 52. Point out, meaning to draw attention to. Example, he pointed out the mistake. 53. Count on, meaning to rely on. Example, you can count on me. 54. Deal with, meaning to handle a situation. Example, I can deal with it. 55. Focus on, meaning to give attention to. Example, focus on your goal. Subscribe now for more daily English lessons, phrasal verbs, and common mistakes. 56. Put off, meaning to delay. Example, don't put off work. 57. Clean up, meaning to make clean. Example, clean up your room. 58. Throw away, meaning to discard. Example, throw away the trash. 59. Fill out, meaning to complete a form. Example, fill out this form. Write one sentence using your favorite phrasal verb in the comments. 60. Cut down, meaning to reduce. Example, cut down sugar. 61. Bring up, meaning to mention. Example, she brought up a topic. 62. Look for, meaning to search for. Example, I'm looking for keys. 63. Watch out, meaning to be careful. Example, watch out. 64. Pass out, meaning to lose consciousness. Example, he passed out. Hit the subscribe button and improve your English step by step. 65. Come up with, meaning to think of an idea. Example, she came up with an idea. 66. Look into, meaning to investigate. Example, we'll look into it. 67. Turn down, meaning to refuse. Example, he turned down the offer. 68. Get rid of, meaning to remove. Example, get rid of bad habits. 69. Take part in, meaning to participate. Example, I took part in the exam. Comment yes if you want part 2. 70. Stick to, meaning to continue following. Example, stick to your plan. 71. Bring back, meaning to return something. Example, bring back my book. 72. Hold on, meaning to wait. Example, hold on, please. 73. Show up, meaning to arrive. Example, he didn't show up. 74. Put up with, meaning to tolerate. Example, I can't put up with noise. 75. Come across, meaning to find by chance. Example, I came across an old photo. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other English learners. 76. Run into, meaning to meet unexpectedly. Example, I ran into my friend. 77. Let down, meaning to disappoint. Example, don't let me down. 78. Take up, meaning to start a new activity. Example, I took up English. 79. Look up, meaning to search for information. Example, look up the word. Share this video with your friends who are learning English. 80. Turn out, meaning to have a result. Example, it turned out well. 81. Get back, meaning to return. Example, get back home. 82. Put away, meaning to place in proper position. Example, put away your phone. 83. Come in, meaning to enter. Example, come in. 84. Go on, meaning to continue. Example, go on talking. 85. Break into, meaning to enter by force. Example, someone broke into the house. 86. Keep up, meaning to continue at the same level. Example, keep up the good work. 87. Pull over, meaning to stop a car at the side. Example, pull over here. 88. Turn around, meaning to change direction. Example, turn around slowly. 89. Set off, meaning to start a journey. Example, we set off early. Example, learning English is easier together. Share this lesson. 90. Keep on, meaning to continue doing something. Example, keep on trying. 91. Check on, meaning to see if someone is okay. Example, I'll check on her. 92. Take care of, meaning to look after. Example, take care of yourself. 93. Step in, meaning to intervene. Example, the teacher stepped in. 94. Fall apart, meaning to fail or collapse. Example, the plan fell apart. 95. Back up, meaning to support or save data. Example, back up your files. 96. Wake up to, meaning to realize. Example, wake up to reality. 97. Go over, meaning to review. Example, go over your lesson. 98. Take off, plane, meaning to leave the ground. Example, the plane took off. 99. Carry out, meaning to perform a task. Example, carry out the plan. 100. Shut down, meaning to stop operating. Example: the system shut down. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other English learners.